Previous programs have dealt with Task 2, the essay, and in this program I just want to give you some idea of the content and focus of the new ebook on how to write IELTS reports, which is available from my website. So let's look quickly at a couple of pages from the ebook just to give you some idea of how that book might help you to prepare for the report writing section of the exam. So the ebook is about 60 pages in length, and it deals with the three types of reports. Type 1 compares things, Type 2 describes change, and Type 3 describes a process. Type 1 deals with comparing different things, and usually the visual data you'll have to describe is a table, a bar or a pie chart. Type 2 deals with describing some sort of change over time, and usually this is represented in a table, bar graph or line graph. And Type 3 involves describing some kind of process, and usually this is a diagram. In the book you will get information about the staging of these types of texts. Usually a report has 3 stages. Initially you identify the graph or chart or visual data, and then describe the main features of that text, and finally present an overview of that text. These are the 3 stages or steps involved in writing any report, but the language that's used, the grammar, the vocabulary, will be different for each of those 3 types of reports. In the ebook you'll see lots of examples of reports, and you will also be able to do lots of exercises. You'll get an overview of the key language features of these reports. The ebook gives you lots of exercises in using things like technical language, past tense verbs, quantifiers, exercises using adjectives of comparison, conjunctions of contrast and addition, simple present tense for those reports that require the use of that tense, and lots of examples of tables and bar charts and graphs, examples of reports. And the ebook comes with an answer sheet, so you don't need to print off the whole book. You can print off the answer sheet and work through the ebook from your computer or from an ebook reader, and in that way save a few trees along the way. You should have some idea now of the content and focus of the ebook on how to write IELTS reports, and it's important to prepare well for the IELTS writing sections. So check out the website, make sure you do some preparation, and I'm sure you'll do well in your IELTS exam.